Hello friends, welcome back to my beautiful gardening life. I'm Ansi and today I'm sharing with you the purchases that I have done over this week's time. Okay, this is like a tongue twister and I cannot say its name. I'm so sorry, but I think I can say Valichii as the name. It belongs to I'll try it, Schematoglotis family, and it's a flowering plant. I already had a very small plant and getting that plant was quite a hustle. But a close friend of mine told me that there is this plant for sale at a particular nursery, and I traveled about 45 kilometers to just get this plant. And if you closely look at it, it has number of shoots and I can always separate them and put them in different pots. But right now the beauty of this plant is its foliage. Just watch the marking on the leaves, amazing to look at. And when you have a view of it from a distance, it looks amazing. This is a plant that I paid quite a lot, but then since this is my birthday month, this is a gift from my husband. This is how it looks from a distance. It is pretty amazing. I'm so happy that I have it in my garden. Well, the next plant that I have picked is the Philodendron glorosum. I already have 2 plants of these. Now this is my 3rd plant. I do not know whether I'm attracted to anthuriums or I'm attracted to philodendrons, but then this is the purchase that I have done. This was a lovely plant and it had this lovely markings on the petiole, so I said I'm going to pick this up. This is another addition to my garden over this week. And the 3rd one is a very hardy begonia, again picked up from the same seller. Got it at a very good price, and it's a very healthy begonia. I love begonias, so getting this variety, which I did not have for the longest time, was a wonderful purchase, and I got it for a fantastic price. So this is what I have added to my garden. And going on, I have this philodendron again. This is the lovely painted lady. But I was getting confused whether it is a painted lady or the philodendron marmalade. But I'm settling down for painted lady because that is what the lady at the nursery told me, that it's a painted lady. Well, I'll just take you over each leaf of this plant because one of the leaves have a surprise. So here we go. Not this one, and this one. There is a tiny insect in the roll of the leaf, and I do not know what to do with it. So I'm going to keep this leaf as it is because I'm hoping that it will crawl out of this leaf and just enjoy the freedom. Maybe it's not ready right now, but maybe in a week's time perhaps. But I'm happy to have this also in my garden. This is a lovely painted lady philodendron that I got, and I got it for 750 from the same seller from where I picked up the Valichii. Going on to the next one, this is an alocasia. It is a variegated alocasia. Well, I still have my doubts about it, whether it is an alocasia. I'll ID it later. But then this was the name that was given to me. I immediately picked up because it's a variegated one and it has a lot of beautiful markings on the leaves. If you look at the stamps, the stamp gives out whether it is a variegated or no because of the whitish or the creamish color lines on the stem. A beautiful alocasia or coccolacea, I do not know. But then this was picked by me for 850. This was what was quoted from the same seller from where I picked up the other foliage plant. And the last one is a fig plant. I picked up this plant especially because of its foliage. I have another variety of the fig one which are edible. The lady there told me that this plant fruit are also edible, but then God knows when I will get the fruits of it. But I picked it up for the foliage. Huge leaves, round leaves and markings on the leaves. It's a very strong and sturdy one for which I paid 200 rupees, and this is another addition to the garden. Well, while I am sharing an overview of these purchases that I have done, I'm taking this opportunity to say thank you to each one of you who watch my videos and support me in this small effort to show my love for plants. Also, it's like exactly a year today since I started my journey on YouTube. It has been a fantastic one long year. Started small, and over this time I have met up with the requirements, and my channel has also monetized. It was and it is a wonderful experience. I thank you. I especially thank my family for bearing up with me when I was doing lives like crazy just to like complete those watch time or watch hours. But overall, if I have to say thank you, I think I should thank God for giving me the courage to take up this step and have my own channel of plants and gardening. So in the same breath, I think I should also thank my subscribers for supporting me hands down. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless your family. And please do continue to support me in this venture as I walk to the next year. Thank you so much. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. Bye.